Hello, this is from Antariksh Design Studio and I'm here to present my project, Angan. The site is located in Surat, Gujarat and in the context of river Tapi. The site has a single approach road that connects primary and the secondary road. The Angan House is oriented in an east-facing direction. The clients wanted a warm and a relaxed contemporary aesthetic interior in white tones. The client gave us a permission to experiment with the textures, the patterns and colors by the way of accents and accessories. They were looking for something that was a blend of contemporary. They also wished to have their living, dining and the TV spaces as well as the kitchen on the first floor, as the family was accustomed to those spaces. They wished to link the two levels to create a cohesive home with a sense of space and openness. We decided to define the public, semi-public, and private spaces and keep the former towards the center on the second floor. The living room and the kitchen are neatly placed, divided by a double-height dining space. The flight of stairs set in front of the living area comfortably connects the two floors. The RCC and metal staircase designed without the risers to achieve a light and sleek look. The bedrooms have been kept uncluttered with minimum and neat furniture and shelving. The color has been introduced through furnishings and the displays on the shelves. The identity of the exposed plaster walls, the entire height of both floors to visually connect. Its presence in the living areas of the two levels where the family would spend time would also mean it would subconsciously create a sense of cohesiveness between the two floors and the spaces. Further, they decided to keep the furniture and artifacts to a minimum and place them along the walls wherever possible to allow for openness as well as simple floor and wall space for objects and art the family may acquire in years to come. Whilst keeping the suitable color palette, fabric and texture choices in mind, the team opted for white walls and surfaces, including painting the double height wall its identity as the outlines of wall painting show through. When the residence was completed, the family was delighted with the home's natural light, openness and freshness. They now look forward to having their morning tea in the balcony with a view of the treetops and soaking in the comfort of their new home.